Hi, I'm Natalie, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Essentials clothing brand. I'm going to be doing a review, going through sizes, going through my personal collection, as well as talking a little bit about the designer, the aesthetic, and I'm also going to be doing an unboxing because I just got another Essentials hoodie and I'm very excited to show you guys. Let's get into it. So Essentials is a Los Angeles-based clothing brand founded by Jerry Lorenzo, which launched in 2018. This is actually his second collection. His first collection is called Fear of God, and that one launched in 2013. With the launch of Essentials, he said that he wanted it to be easily accessible for the high school kid that looks up to him. And I have a quote here, and it's from Essence.com. So he says, when Essentials first started, it was, hey, the kid in high school that's now following me on Instagram has access to me and doesn't necessarily have the dollars to access my brand. And I could create a diffusion brand of similar pieces at a lower price and provide him with an aesthetic that's similar to what our main line is. I'm just really trying to make the best basics at the lowest accessible price point. I think I discovered Essentials last year at some point. I was doing a lot of style features on Hailey Bieber, and I realized that she was wearing a lot of this one particular brand called Essentials. I personally buy everything on Essence.com, and I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check that out. I've had followers on Instagram tell me that they've purchased it through Nordstrom, and I know that you can get the limited edition releases also on PacSun. So Essentials is a collection of unisex clothing. It is loungewear, streetwear. They are heavy knit jerseys like the t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. The sweatpants in particular are amazing because they're heavy weight and they don't stretch out at the knees like a lot of other sweatpants that I've tried. They also have the Essentials logo on it. It's just minimal block letters, and I think it personally looks really great. You can find the logo on all of their clothing pieces. It's just a matter of how they're releasing their logo at the time, whether it's going to be really bold or whether it's going to be subtle and to the side. They do sweatshirts, hoodies, sweatpants, crew neck t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirts, half zip pulls. They do puffer jackets, and this year they actually did this kind of like a track jacket volleyball short in an iridescent fabric, and this is the first time that I've seen them do anything like this. Mind you, I started buying Essentials in 2019. They came out with a brand in 2018, so this might be a new thing for them, or it might not be. I'm not entirely sure, but when I saw this particular piece, I just fell in love with the iridescent nylon fabric. So another thing I should tell you about the brand is that all of their drops are limited edition. I don't know if I already said that already. If I did, I'm sorry. Once something is produced, it's never going to be produced again. In addition to that, everything sells out really fast, like fast. There's been a couple of times where I have logged onto the Essence website on launch date and I've been able to pick up a couple things, and literally in the matter of like minutes or a couple of hours, everything is nearly sold out. So my tip to you guys is, if you see something from the brand that you're interested in, don't wait on it. Make sure that you pick it up right away, and then if you decide that you don't like it when it comes to your house, then you can always return it, but don't expect it to be there in a couple of days because this sells out fast, like so fast, it's insane. So let's just talk about sizing for a second. Sizing, because it is a unisex brand, you are looking at sizes that are a little bit bigger than we're used to for women. For men, I'm not entirely sure. I don't know any. Actually, this t-shirt is a small, and I lent this t-shirt to my husband a few times, and he is like a perfect size medium, and this was like just a little bit big on him. So things in Essentials are a little bit oversized. When I first started buying Essentials, I bought what I thought was my size, which is a size small. Everything ended up being too big, too baggy, too long. So I ended up returning it and going for an extra small instead. These are their 2019, I think, early fall drop. They are incredibly flattering. They go great with ankle boots. They also go great with sneakers, high tops, low tops, sandals, like absolutely everything. It has that really long drawstring at the front, which just kind of adds to that like streetwear appeal. I think it's all the little details in Essential that makes these pieces just like so desirable and so absolutely cool and completely unique. Like, this is why I love them so much. What I would recommend is, again, size down. My pant size is like a 27, 28 these days, and I fit perfect perfectly into an extra small essentials. For the tops, I do have a couple that are a size small. For example, this t-shirt, this hoodie, and this hoodie, but recently I have been buying extra small, and actually the item that I just ordered, I think the extra small was sold out and so was the small. So I ended up getting an extra small, and I'm pretty sure that it'll fit, but I'll try that on for you guys in a second. But first, let's just go through my collection really quickly and how I wear everything. Okay, so let's start with the first pieces since we were already looking at the sweatpants. I have 3 of these. I would probably wear them more in the summer, except that this fleece is pretty heavy duty and it's actually incredibly warm. So during the winter, I would wear these with maybe sometimes even like a Uniqlo heat tech underneath, and these keep me incredibly warm. If it's windy, these block out the wind. They are incredible for fall, winter if you guys live in a colder climate. If you're living in a hotter climate, it might be too heavy duty. It's got 2 slant pockets, which I think is really awesome because I'm always putting my hands in my pockets. And it's got a back pocket as well. I have the same pant in a black. This t-shirt is actually from the same fall collection as the gray pant and this black pant. The bottom, like the leg opening, is actually elasticized, and I have shrunk these a little, so if you don't want them to shrink, then make sure that you hang them to dry. I'm about 5'4", and again, I picked up a size extra small. The last pair of essential sweatpants that I have is a collection that came after, and I think this is more fall winter 2019/2020. I could be making that up, but it's basically the same cut, the same cotton. It's got this really cool rubber detail right here. It's like a rubberized logo. I thought it was going to bother me, but once I tried them on, I realized that you don't even notice, and it's just like a weird little logo in the front of your pants. It's really not that big a deal. I wore these all winter long with long black coats, with my Alexander Wang motorcycle boots. I wore them with my Balenciaga scarf. Like, this color is phenomenal if you guys can get your hands on it. Moving into shorts, like I said, I just recently got this one. It is from their summer 2020 release. These are really cool track shorts. They kind of have this like very vintage style. They're oversized, which I absolutely love. They've got the same back pocket. They have the 2 slant pockets in the front, and we have the elasticized waistband, but this time, instead of having that long drawstring, you have this like a pull, and you can just like pull it up. But yeah, I love these shorts. They're 100% nylon. I've been wearing them loads. It's got that reflective logo just right down here, and these have been my go-to shorts all summer long. For t-shirts, I have this one which says essentials right in the front, and then the other t-shirt that I recently got is this one. It says essentials in the front in that same rubberized texture, but I think this is going to be a bit of a pain in the ass t-shirt because you have to hand wash it. You can't throw it in the washing machine according to the instructions on the tee, and it says you can't throw it in the dryer either, so I'm gonna have to hand wash this. This one is in an extra small. I've been wearing it with sweatpants. I've been wearing it with my shorts. I've been wearing it with Saint Laurent trousers. At the back, it also has that really cool essentials rubberized logo. They're very consistent from collection to collection, but they're also very different. Like, you don't know what to expect. So when you see the next drop coming out, it's always really, really exciting. And then I have 2 more items to share with you. This is the same hoodie in 2 different colors. This is also a size small. This is the gray one that matches the gray sweatpants that I just showed you. I love it as a tracksuit. Like, if you wear these pieces as a matching tracksuit, I think it looks really amazing. And then I've got the black one as well, and as you can see, it matches the exact same logo as on my t-shirt. Again, it's an oversized fit, size small. It's got the hoodie, it's a pullover style, kangaroo pocket. It's just incredibly comfortable. So let's just get into this box and I'll show you what I bought recently. So this is the latest piece that I just bought, and it just arrived. And as you can see, all of the essentials clothing come in this really cool plastic bag. It says Essentials Fear of God in the front. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. I like to hold on to these bags and put anything seasonal in here, like wool pieces, and then I'll just store them in my closet. Oh, yes. I love this already. So it is a hoodie. It's got the rubberized logo in the front, kangaroo pocket. There's the rubberized logo right here on the hood, which I don't have on my other ones. But look at this detail. Essentials right here on the sleeve. That's different. Fits a lot better on the sleeves as well, so I don't have to roll them up. So this is a hoodie, and I want to style it with my Loewe medium puzzle bag just to show you guys what it would look like. So there's the Essentials logo right at the top of the hood. It says Essentials on the arm, and it's so funny because I didn't realize that when I ordered it. Like, I just saw that there was one left in stock and I knew I wanted to pick it up. I'm wearing it with a pair of trousers from Aritiza and a pair of Birkenstocks. I just want to show you guys how versatile these pieces are. Just because you're wearing sweatpants or a hoodie, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to wear everything like very street, if you know what I mean. Like, you can mix and match and definitely have something suit your personality. I'm gonna try it on with sneakers and the shorts now to show you guys another option. And this is the look with a pair of white sneakers. These ones are from Saint Laurent, and they're the same ones that I wear all of the time. And this is it with the track shorts that I was showing you guys earlier. And I love this look. I think I would wear it all of the time. It's super comfortable. Only thing is, because the cotton is so heavyweight, I probably wouldn't be able to wear it if it's like really hot and humid out. It would just be like way too much, but I could definitely wear the t-shirt with it. But yeah, I think this is such a great cozy look. I could wear it with my Loewe puzzle bag. Like, the cuts are so simple, you guys, like so incredibly simple, but they work so well because it's the attention to detail that Jerry Lorenzo, the designer, pays to the whole clothing brand that just like makes it really special. So that's probably why I'm obsessed with it. I know a bunch of you guys on my Instagram are always talking to me. Like, a bunch of women who love their designer clothing will go out and buy Essentials, and you guys swear by it too. So I'm really happy that I was able to share this brand with you because I love it so much and I truly believe in it. And yeah, I think that the stuff is super fun. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you were able to learn a little bit more about the Essentials brand and about the designer. I hope I clarified a couple of things on the sizing as well. Remember, make sure that you're sizing down. If you're not sure, then I would recommend buy the size that you think you are and buy the size below that, and that way you won't be surprised when you log onto the website later and you find out that everything is sold out. My whole wardrobe could pretty much be Essentials and I would be really happy. Like, I just love this brand so much. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, and if you want more fashion inspo, make sure you're following me on Instagram at _Nathalie Martin. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.